Hello, this is Dr. Leo at Lead Time. I have talked about uses of hydrosols such as for skincare, facial spray, using the lotion, make soap. There are many different uses of hydrosols, but if you start to make your own hydrosol, the fresh made hydrosol, especially when you have a large bottle of the hydrosol, adding the hydrosol into a bath is another way to take benefits from the hydrosol. So in this video, I will talk about the 6 best hydrosols you can incorporate in your bath and take the full benefits from the hydrosol and make your whole body kind of refresh. Hydrosol and essential oil are both made during the distillation, especially steam distillation. That means the water underneath the herb and the steam will go through the herb, and then you can make the hydrosol and essential oil. Hydrosol contains mostly the water-soluble volatile compounds, and also have a small portion of the essential oil. Research quantifies there about 2% of the essential oil stay in the hydrosol. That's why for some of the, especially the high oil content herb like lavender, you will see like cloudy hydrosol fresh made because there are small amount of the oil dispersed in the water. So when oil dispersed in water, you will see cloudy or milky. Because hydrosol contains those phytochemicals that bring its pharmaceutical benefits, therapeutic effects for different hydrosols. For example, lavender, we know it has calming and also anti-inflammation. Lavender hydrosol is one of the best hydrosol you can add into the bath water. This will help you relax and help you have a better sleep afterwards. And lavender hydrosol also give you anti-inflammation benefits if you have that problem on your body. It not only has the soothing effects but also give you the benefits to reduce the problem and recover faster. So now I'm gonna introduce you how to use the ADI to make the lavender essential oil and the hydrosol. It's a pretty easy process. So to make a hydrosol, it's better use distilled water or filter water. The benefit when you're having an ADI, you can make your distilled water first, and then you use that distilled water to make the hydrosol and essential oil. So I'm doing a steam distillation with dry lavender buds for making its hydrosol. Because lavender has a relatively higher essential oil content, then you have a chance to make a little bit of essential oil. Pretty straightforward, just pour the lavender in the herb bucket. This basket has about a 1 liter volume. So normally you can make about 1 liter hydrosol, the good quality concentrated hydrosol. That's the general ratio when we do the steam distillation, but for some material like the wood, tree barks, those condensed material, then you probably can make more hydrosol. Now just put in the ADI. So you don't want this too much higher. The max is the flush, the edge, because when you push down the cover, you want it to fully cover on the material. So what we do is put a oil separator here at a lower bench, and then just lead the tubing from, you know, the distillate make from there when they come up, and lead them into the separator. And remember, have a little container to collect the hydrosol. When we start use hydrosol in the bath, there are two things you want to be careful. The first one is the quantity. You want to use around 2 ounces of hydrosol in the full bath for grown-ups. For kids, you want to reduce the amount. Make sure they are not, you know, allergy or some irritation to the plants before you use that, and make sure, you know, they feel comfortable when you have that. The second one is use fresh made. Fresh made is the best. You don't want to have preservatives, alcohol in the hydrosol, you know, to add it in your bath water. So use the fresh made. The second hydrosol I like is a chamomile hydrosol. Chamomile has a relaxing benefits, and also very it work for most of the skins, dry, oil, you know, all kinds of skins. It work well, and it also have anti-inflammation, perfect for the sensitive skin. So chamomile hydrosol is also used around 2 ounces in the full bath. The third one is a rose hydrosol. If you love a rose smell, this is the one you definitely want to add in your bath water. It's so make you feel luxury and a strong aroma when you are taking the benefits of the warm bath, and also its anti-aging benefits on the skin. And the other one is the neroli, that's also called orange blossom, and a peppermint hydrosol. It gives you a refreshing, because the menthol cool your body, make you feel like a more fresh. The last but not the least is the calendula hydrosol. It has the healing benefits. It can help our skin, the wound recover, and reduce the dark spots. That's the 6 hydrosols recommended you can consider to add in your bath. I have a blog. If you want to read rather than watching the video, or you want to refresh, you know, what you watched in the video, and go to the blog. I'll put the link of the blog, and you can see how you use it. What are the 6 hydrosols I talked today, and what are the, you know, something you should be careful when you're using the hydrosol in the bath. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Dr. Leo. Please like the video, share, subscribe to the channel, become a member. See you next time.